Hello, Randy Rainier, and check it out. I have another DanceBot by Blue Box. That's hard to say. This is
Randy Robot Garage.
Now, I've already done one of these, I know for sure, but I've come across another one. It's your typical bump and go robot, and the wheels are shot on it, so that's going to have to be fixed. The head does light up and it spins, but it's not doing anything right now, so let me get it working. I remember the last one, this ring was all messed up, but that looks good. So this sits in there like that. And you got these little 4 bumps that fall in these holes. But if you forced it, you know, it would break free from it. You push this down, so now it won't turn. But if it's up there, it'll turn. You can see this is riding on that ring right there. And then the centerpiece here is touching a rod down in there. And that's what transfers the electricity up to the light. That is your positive. Really? So the blue is positive? That's negative. So it's switching negative. Gotta get this off first. Come on, don't break. Don't break. Hey, look at there. There's a metal gear in there. That's to slide off. Hopefully that's still good, but I might have one of those. And there's what's inside. Got the little noise maker here. And those come out. That off. Yeah, that's all cracked up. This off. So we got some cracking going on here. You can see this thing is all one gear. You can see it cracking. And it's only cracking at the noise maker area. It hasn't actually made it down to the gear. You still got a lot of meat right here. I'm going to weld it back. Just try to melt right on that split. Okay. I do see a crack forming on this one. Just starting. Okay, I think that'll stave that off for a while. Went like this. These idle gears are not the same. You can see one's bigger here. That's the one that connects to this down here. This one goes in like this. Then this one slips in there. That. The noise maker. Now this can go on. And this went on. And I have this gear. I'm pretty sure that's the same gear. Whatever it is, it will work. You can see how flat that one's got. And there's also one here. So, what I do is we gotta take these off. Sometimes they're easy. Like that. That's the small one. Now I've 3D printed this thing. This is the small one for here. Then pull that one off. And this one goes in. And one of them is bigger than the other. Just by like a millimeter. And then you get your O-rings. We'll just put some O-rings on here. That. It's time for the motor. Got a tin tooth on here. Wow, that tin tooth wasn't cracked. All those other gears are cracked. But this one wasn't. Nope, I can't even get it to break. It's alright. It's still going away. Bunch of nastiness on this thing. It hasn't spun very much, though. There's hardly any scratches on the computator. Then go with a little lithium grease. And I'm going to put one of these brass gears on here, because that's the way I roll now. Tired of messing with the nylons. And that goes in there. All kinds of wires breaking. Everything's been clean, so we can all go back here. And there's that part. Now it's time for the head. Take this off. because I need to wash all this. Now if I can fish that wire back down through here. Oops, it went right there. Okay, everything is ready to put back together. I took all these things off. They can go back on now. And it's pretty clean. It cleaned up rather well. I don't see a lot of yellowing at all. That goes like that. Got to remember to put this on. Blue went up to positive. Goes like that. Okay. We'll go ahead and put one of these in. So there it is, another DanceBot by Blue Box. Hey, I said it correctly. Anyway, it's on eBay right now, so you want to see it in action? So this one works really well, and if you want to help out the channel, go to eBay and put down a bid. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people. These are the people bringing you this DanceBot from Blue Box, and I thank these people so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron and help out the channel, well, of course, there are links and perks and all that stuff, so please go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was
Robot Garage.